Hello, myself Deepti Rangnani, Associate Professor Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today we will study the topic of BSc Part 2 Physical Chemistry, Thermodynamics, and in this series we will today study concept of work and heat. What is work and what is heat? In any thermodynamic system, work and heat produces on the boundary of the system and during the state changes of the system. These are algebraic quantities, that is values are negative or positive both. Work and heat are path functions, so these are inexact differential and their cyclic integral is not equal to 0. What is work? When the state of any system in thermodynamics is changed, then the energy of system is also changed and it can be represented by work. If the work done by the system on the surrounding, then the internal energy of the system is decreased, while oppositely the internal energy of surrounding is increased. Besides this, if the work done by the surrounding on the system, the energy of surrounding is decreased and energy of system is increased. The work is the effect of force and the work is the multiplication of two factors, that is intensity factors and capacity factors. Intensity factor, what is intensity factor? The extent of external force is called intensity factor. And what is capacity factor? The change in the system due to external work against external force is called capacity factor. In this reference, work is of many types and these are listed in the table. Number 1, work of expansion. Work of expansion generally we seen in gases, because the expansion of gases is easy than the expansion of liquids and solids. So work is expansion is the multiplication of pressure and change in volume. Number 2, mechanical work. What is mechanical work? Mechanical work is a multiplication of force and change in distance. Number 3, electrical work. Electrical work is the multiplication of change in voltage and current. Change in voltage and multiplication of current. Number 4, gravitational work. What is gravitational work? Gravitational work is again the intensity factor is gravitational force in newtons and the capacity factor in this is height in meter. Number 5, thermal energy. What is the thermal energy? Thermal energy is the multiplication of heat capacity, which is represented in joule per mole, and capacity factor is temperature, which is represented in Kelvin. Then we will study the work of expansion in gas. Generally in thermodynamics, work of expansion is seen in gases because the volume of gases will change frequently and it is called the pressure volume work. This work is not available in gases and liquids. For this work of expansion, we will suppose a cylinder in which the frictionless piston, and in this cylinder ideal gas is filled at pressure P. See in the figure. The gas pressure is P and the piston is frictionless, and in this cylinder by the pressure of gas piston is moved upward, and for the we apply the force to the piston for gaining its original position. And this force, what is this force? This force is equal to gas pressure and area of gas filled in this cylinder. So the force is equals to pressure into area. If the applied force, which is equal to the gas pressure, if the applied pressure which is equal to the gas pressure to maintain the position of piston is decreased by the term dp, yeah, by the term pressure term dp, then the applied pressure is represented as pa is equals to p minus dp. If applied pressure is less than the pressure of gas, then piston of the cylinder will move slightly upward, and this process, the work done by the gas is equal to F is equals to W, and work done is equals to force into distance. Here the small work done dW is equal to force into dl, and dl is the distance travelled by the piston. dW is equal to PA into A into dl, because the force is equal to pressure into area, and subsequently dW is equals to P minus dP into dV. And on expanding this equation, dP and dV is the multiplication of two smaller terms is very small, so dW is equals to pdV. And this is the work of expansion, because the applied pressure is less than gas pressure. So in this work is in this work done by the gas, and work done by the gas or the work of expansion is always negative, so we can write W is equals to minus pdV, dW is equals to minus pdV, and on integration we can write W is equals to minus integration of V1 to V2 into P.